Hey everybody, this video will be about depriming berdan primers for 54R. I want to say I'm sorry for the Vice video not coming out. I ran into a snag, but I'm still working on it. I gotta do some repairs to it. Ran into a few problems, so that video will come out next week. But for this week, I'm going to show you how to deprime berdan primers the easy way on a mini lathe. So let's get started. Alright, as you see, I got one already chucked up in the lathe. And for these, you have to do like drill it out like this, so there's a small center hole. So I'm gonna get everything set up and I'll be right back. First thing you're gonna need is to drill a center hole, because inside there's a little dimple you gotta drill through. This makes it easier to do that. So drill that out. So once it reaches to the taper on this drill bit, that's how far you need to go. Because, let me show you. I don't know how well you can see, but inside the hole has to be that small. So when you get to that taper, just like that, you know you've gone far enough. So put that back in there and finish off with a 1564 drill bit. Then once you hit a moment where it gets loose, you know when to stop. Check my progress. Okay. I think I've gone far enough. And this is easy to take out. I just need a scraper. Bear with me. Okay. That just pops right out. The old primer just pops right out. So it should look something like that. I'm gonna do one more on camera, and I'll do the rest off camera. Yep. Alright, so you go about maybe 1/8 of an inch in, all the way to the tape. All the way to about right there. All the way to about right there. Perfect. That's it. That ring, and the primer just pops right out. Should pop right out. I'll get it off camera, but you get the point. So, big thumbs up for removing the tool post for this nice camera angle. And if you liked it, like, comment, and subscribe. And next week will be the video on the part 3 of that vise. I ran into a snag, ran into a problem, so we'll fix it and I'll come back and make the video on how I made it. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.